So there's a noise that Nellie doesn't like that we're doing. Our dog is the fart police.
Shit.
You don't like the tooties, do you?
What I think maybe contributing to this is when you were gone while she was sleeping. Sometimes I'd fart really loud and it would wake her up and startle her. Why are you filming me?
Because your face has to go with this story when I put it on the internet.
She'd be lying between my legs and she was sleeping and I just go brap and she'd be like, ah!
You poor child. What did I leave you? Okay, let go of the camera. What did I leave you with? Coming to me for protection. I know, Nellie. It's a dangerous world. Okay, the end.